Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make animated slides in Google Slides step by step. Animations can make your presentations more engaging, professional, and visually appealing. This full guide for 2026 will help you create dynamic slides that capture attention. First, go to slides.google.com and log in with your Google account. Start a blank presentation or select a template that fits your style. Using a template can save time while keeping your slides looking professional. Add new slides by clicking the plus button or using the layout dropdown for specific slide types. Insert your text, images, charts, or videos, anything you want to animate. Preparing content first makes applying animations easier. Select the object you want to animate, then go to Insert Arrow Animation. Choose an animation type like Appear, Fade in, Fly in, or Zoom. Adjust direction, speed, and start options to make it flow naturally. For multiple elements, apply animations individually. Use the animation panel to reorder the sequence and set timings. This creates smooth transitions and keeps your audience focused. Add transitions between slides to enhance flow. Go to Slide Transition, pick effects like Fade, Slide from right, or Flip. Slide transitions make your presentation feel more polished. Click Present and watch your animations in action. Adjust timings or effects if necessary to make it smooth and professional. Previewing ensures everything works perfectly before presenting. Google Slides lets you collaborate in real time. Click Share, add email addresses, or generate a link, set permissions. Team members can see and comment on animations or suggest changes. When ready, present in full screen mode. You can also download slides as PDF, PPTX, or share a link directly. Animated slides look professional in any format or setting. And yeah, that's how to make animated slides in Google Slides step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you create engaging presentations, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.